everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surpisani. Hope you are doing great. It's been a long time. I come forward regarding this video as a reminder for you if you are preparing for the NEET MDS 2023. Yes, this is the video reminder just to remind you that there are lots of videos out on my channel regarding the NEET MDS preparation, its timetable, its schedule, the 60 days challenge and the how to prepare in just 60 days, 15 days, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, all the strategies are already out on my channel. So, this video is just a reminder that if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to check out the NEET MDS playlist as well as the study tips playlist or even the dental series playlist. These three playlists have all the videos, all the schedule things. First of all, begin with the timetable which I have released I think a way time ago. This is the video. I will put the link in the description of this video as well as in the I button of this video. This is the timetable video, right? Followed by the subject strategy. Like as we all know, the date has been extended now, and which is a very good thing, a plus point to all the participants or to all the aspirants who are giving the NEET MDS 2023 for the first time. This is the plus point for you, but now it is very confusing for you as an aspirant that you begin the preparation with which subject. So there is the pattern of different subjects in this video. I have already told you the subject strategy regarding the choice and the combination of the subjects which will help you not to make your preparation boring but definitely an interesting one, and it is an ongoing process. Your interest in the preparation. So I will definitely put the link of this video also in the I button and as well as in the description of this video. Along with that, you also note that there are lots of clinical questions with solution out on my channel, which is in the playlist of NEET MDS. Wasting time, let's see, have a look to all the thumbnails regarding those videos and don't forget to check out that. I will definitely put the link of whole playlist in the I button as well as in the description of this video. These video, I have told you many times that I have the past solved papers of NEET MDS in the PDF form. You can have it on your WhatsApp by contacting me either through the mail. You can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Follow me there. Do practice the free MCQ if you want the past papers of NEET MDS of last 10 years, 5 years, 3 years or whatever years. You can DM me there and then you can have that PDF. Definitely it's a paid PDF but you can have it easily, right? Practice papers are there. You can take them also for the practice, followed by the free MCQs are available daily on my Instagram story with solution if required or if you want, right? So don't forget to follow me there and practice as much questions as you can. Drop your queries on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Definitely I will solve each and every query, one or more, either on the YouTube or on the Instagram. or in any other way, like in the form of a reel or a short or a long video, right? So it's my humble request that do check out all these videos which are already out on my channel, because there are lots of new aspirants to the NEET MDS 2023 who are planning to give it for the first time and who are new subscriber to my channel and they don't know about the videos which are already out on my channel. So it's my humble request that do check out the playlist of NEET MDS and the dental series and the study tips, because that will give you a very good brand idea that how you will prepare for the NEET MDS 2023. All the very best for the preparation, and forget that there is the NEET MDS preparation test series going on. You can join it anytime, anywhere by DM me your details on my Instagram ID. Pay a very minimal fees is there. You can join it anytime and can have the idea of the test series. Almost nearly about 5 days test is there out of 7 days a week, and 2 days are of preparation. So a very good strategy. A lot of students have already enrolled in it, but still, if you are new on my channel and you didn't know about it, then please do follow me on my Instagram ID, DM me there, ask your queries, join the test series and enjoy the questions as much as you can. That's all about the reminder video regarding the preparation for the NEET MDS 2023. If you still have any query, contact me by any of the mode. Thank you for watching.